Deluxe Egg Topper Set. Your EPARE Egg Topper Set has everything you need to make enjoying a perfect soft-boiled egg breakfast simple and easy. You get the precision soft-boiled eggshell opener and sleek stainless steel egg cups and spoons. Our eggshell separator is equipped with a finely calibrated vibration-activated shell remover. It's easy to operate. Gently pull up on the plastic ball grip and release for a cleanly scored eggshell every time. The egg white strainer divider filter kitchen gadget will become your instant assistant in removing eggshells or separating the egg yolks from the egg whites. Say goodbye the yolk and white being mixed together. You can hang egg white separator on the hook in your kitchen for easy storage. Egg yolk separator feels nice and smooth to the touch. Can be cleaned very easily. The egg filter streamlined 3-hole hollow design. This ergonomic longer handle egg yolk separator can fit different size bowls/cups/containers for sturdiness. Yolk out, the clean, easy way to separate eggs. Here's how it works. The soft, ergonomic silicone bulb sucks up the entire yolk, leaving the egg white behind in the bowl. You then simply expel the yolk intact and go back for more yolks. The yolk out is indispensable for souffles, cakes, meringues, egg white omelets, and more. It is BPA-free, food-safe, and dishwasher-safe. At Tovolo, we believe time spent cooking should be fun, and we are honored to be a part of that experience in each home that uses our products. We challenge ourselves to improve the performance, function, and appearance of kitchen tools. Something as simple as a silicone spatula moves us to create the perfect experience for our customers. We obsess over everything. Whether you already love eggs, want to eat healthier, or set an example for your kids, this egg eating set is for you. Egg slicer for eggs has no sharp edges, so is safe for anyone to use, even children. And the non-skid rubber feet at the base will anchor this food cutter onto your kitchen countertops or desk for complete grip and stability. Multifunctional kitchen gadget helps you slice and wedge perfectly uniform pieces of hard-boiled eggs for salad and more. Manual egg chopper is quick and easy to operate. Simply place egg on surface, pull down handle, and enjoy precision slices. The egg slicer is also handy.
Make breakfast fast and easy. Hold unit over a bowl and squeeze both handles together to crack the egg without any mess or bits of shell in your food, making delicious and nutritious egg white omelets. With the egg cracker separator, the egg separator will catch the yolk and let the white through, making perfectly cracked eggs with spilling. Quickly separates eggs white and yolk for easy cracking. Dishwasher safe, BPA-free, FDA-approved and economic-friendly, portable, and easy to use. Indispensable accessory in the kitchen, designed for easy opening of eggs, perfect for preparing cakes and delicious snacks. All About effortless egg cracker with separator machine tool for kitchen has been introduced to meet the basic household need. This egg cracker with a separator machine will work as a tool and help you to separate yolk from egg white. Effortless egg cracker quickly opens fresh eggs or hard-boiled eggs. It operates with the simple touch of a button, eliminates shell pieces in food. Our unique batter mixer system is the perfect tool to upgrade your baking skills. Not just perfect for pancakes, our dispenser can handle all your batter-based treats. It is easy to use and clean. It can give you an accurate portion with measuring marks. The opening of the product is large enough to pour the batter in from a large mixing bowl. It also can be disassembled, easy for you to clean. Such a nice product, worth buying. Specification: color, red material, plastic and stainless steel cup size, DA XH, approximately 12 by 27.